Born in Abeokuta, Nigeria on November 11, 1954, Pastor Tunde Bakare's early life was marked by discipline, ambition, and a hunger for knowledge. Though born into a Muslim family, he later became a devout Christian. He learned the values of faith and hard work that would shape his destiny. After a successful career as a lawyer, Bakare experienced a profound spiritual awakening that led him to ministry. He answered the call to serve God, transitioning from the courtroom to the pulpit, where his voice would inspire millions. In 1989, Pastor Bakare founded the Latter Rain Assembly, which later became the Citadel Global Community Church, a ministry built on truth, accountability, and spiritual revival. The church quickly became a beacon of hope, attracting thousands seeking transformation through his dynamic preaching and leadership. Beyond the church, Pastor Bakare became a fearless advocate for justice, speaking truth to power during pivotal moments in Nigeria's history. From his fiery sermons to national protests, he emerged as a voice for the voiceless. In 2011, Pastor Bakare stepped into the political arena as the running mate to General Muhammadu Buhari. Though they came second in the election, his foray into politics cemented his role as a visionary who sought to merge faith with governance for national transformation. During periods of national crisis, Bakare continued to champion the causes of democracy, good governance, and social justice. His sermons addressed corruption, inequality, and the need for a united Nigeria. Pastor Bakare's influence transcended Nigeria as he became a respected thought leader on global platforms, sharing insights on leadership, faith, and societal transformation. With decades of service, Pastor Bakare reflects on his journey of faith, leadership, and resilience. His legacy is one of unwavering integrity, spiritual transformation, and a vision for a better Nigeria. Through all his endeavors, Pastor Bakare remains deeply committed to Nigeria, offering prayers for peace, unity, and progress. He truly believes that faith and action can change Nigeria's future. Pastor Tunde Bakare's story is one of courage, faith, and a relentless pursuit of truth. His life reminds us that great leaders serve not for power but for purpose, leaving an indelible mark on their generation and beyond.
The Bible states that out of the mouth of two or three witnesses, a truth will be established.